Hello, how to solve for t? This is 2 raised to the power of t equals t raised to the power of 32. Now, if you observe, we have a variable t here, and there is another variable which is the same t here. Now, what we need to do is to eliminate this exponent here so that we can push all the variables to one side. So let's eliminate this, and we can achieve by multiplying the exponent by 1 over t. 2 power t raised to the power of 1 over t equals t raised to the power of 32, and this is raised to the power of 1 over t. Now consider a power m equals a power m times m. So t cancels t, and this will give us 2 equals 32 multiplies 1. This is t power 32 and divided by t. So we can also decide to move 32 over here. So let's do that by multiplying this again by 1 over 32, the exponent. 2 power 1 over 32 equals t raised to the power of 32 divided by t raised to the power of 1 over 32. We multiply the exponent again. A power x power y equals a power xy. 32 cancel 32. 2 power 1 over 32 equals t power 1 over t. 2, 32, t, and t. Now, to solve this, we need to ensure that this and this are the same. So, if you have 1 over 32, I can express it as 2 divided by 64. Right? These are equivalent fractions. So let's replace it here. I have 2 power 2 over 64 equals t power 1 over t. And from here, I can factor out 2 from here. I have 2 power, this is 2 over 64. So I can factor this 2. Half times 1 over 64. And this equals t power 1 over t. Now, if you have a power n times m equals a power m power m. So this will give us 2 power 2 power 1 over 64 equals t power 1 over t. 2 power 2 is 4, so we have 4 power 1 over 64 equals t power 1 over t. Now, I can also find the equivalent fraction of this. 1 over 64 is the same thing as writing 2 over 128. I'll replace it here. I have 4 power 2 divided by 128 equals t power 1 over t. So from here, I can factor out 2. I will have 4 power 2 times 1 over 128 equals t power 1 over t. So remember the same identity, a power n times m equals a power n to the power of m. Applying that here, have 4 power 2 raised to the power of 1 over 128 equals t power 1 over t. And 4 power 3 is 4 times 4, that is 16. I have 16 power 1 over 128 equals t power 1 over t. Now, if you have 1 over 128, this equals 2 over 256. Right? We replace it here. We have 16 over 2, 16 power 2 over 256 equals t power 1 over t. I factor out 2 again. I have 16 power 2 times 1 over 256 equals t power 1 over t. And we go and use the same identity again. A power x times y equals a power x to the power of y. So this will give us 16 power 2 raised to the power of 1 over 256. And this equals t power 1 over t. Now 16 to the power of 2, that is 16 times 16. We have 256 raised to the power of 1 over 256. And this equals t power 1 over t. Now we have 256, we have 256, we have t, we have t. So, if you have a power 1 over a, this equals b power 1 over b. That means you can compare them. When it's 1 over a equals 1 over b. And if you cross multiply, a equals b, right? So we have 1 over 256 equals 1 over t. T times 1, that is t equals 256 times 1, that is 256. So t equals 256. That's our solution. We can decide to check. We have t equals 256, that means 2 power t equals t power 32. So you have 2 power 256 equals 256 power 32. So, right now, let's check if the two are going to give us the same. 2 power 256 equals 256 here is simply 2 power 8. That is 2 to the power of 8, that is 256. And this is raised to the power of 32. So if you multiply this exponent, you have 8 times 32 equals 2 times 8, 16, 6 square over 1. 2 times 3, 24 plus 1, 25. So this will give you 256 as well. That means 2 power 256 equals 2 power 256. Left side and the right side are the same. So guys, this is it. And don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you and goodbye.